Okay, so I washed and moisturized my hair last night, and now I'm gonna start on the braid pattern. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a side part. Along the part, I'm gonna have one braid on this side and one braid on this side. So I'm gonna start from back here. I'm gonna braid forward and then around the side and all the way down the back. On this side, I'm gonna braid from here all the way along my hairline and then meet up with the other braid right here. And then after that, I'm gonna part from ear to ear on top. Then I'm just gonna do straight backs right here. And then with the hair that's left in the back, I'm gonna do an S braid pattern. Let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I'm not gonna talk the whole time, but I did want to come and just kind of explain why I'm doing my braid pattern the way that I am. So basically I wanted to have a part and I wanted for it to look as natural as possible, and I also wanted for the front of my hairline to look natural. And so sometimes I will braid just straight backs in the front, but when you do that, there are just like a bunch of parts on your hairline which doesn't look really that natural. So I figured if I did a braid along my hairline, it would look more natural. Nothing wrong with just straight backs, but I just wanted to try it this way. So that's why I did the braids like this around my perimeter. And then I just went in with straight backs on the top as I normally would. And then for the back half of my head, as I explained before, is going to be an S pattern going horizontally. And I like to do the S pattern for the back of my head because when you crochet the hair onto the S, it's just naturally going to fall down. And that is how our hair naturally falls. Now again, there's nothing wrong with just doing straight backs throughout the whole head, but I just think that when you do straight backs going to the back, all the way to the back, when you crochet the hair onto those braids in the back, it's gonna basically kind of fall to the side, if that makes sense. So when you do the S going horizontally, the hair just falls flat down, as opposed to if I were to do straight backs, then I would be latching the hair on basically sideways and then it will fall, if that makes sense. I hope that's making sense, but that is why I'm doing my braid pattern the way I am. So now I'm gonna be quiet and let you watch me do the rest.
They can try and say this, they can try and say that, but we both got tracks. Through the ups and the downs and the downs and the ups. Never let anything come between us. They can try and say this, they can try and say that, but we both got trust. And you got me thinking, about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah.
Look, hey, we been through a whole lot of bad. but somehow we seem to always end on good terms. I remember those nights you sat on your phone and cried. Now you be trying to hide it and it still hurt. I used to be the one you vent to. Yeah, the one that you were vent to, the one that you was into. The one that you was into, but girl, you a blessing and I need you. I believe that God sent you. Just don't go MIA on me. If you feel like you need a leave, give it time, we'll be fine. Could you wait for me? I remember I couldn't make it for dinner, then you called out the blue just to tell me you say to play for me. Damn, it was good by the way. And I don't even remember saying thank you. I swear I feel like I was selfish back then, but I'm writing this now to show that I appreciate you. I swear that I appreciate you. Might have played girls in my past, but for you I'm mighty faithful. And it's been a thin line between it all, cause if it ain't I love you, it's I hate you. Man, that shit crazy. Look back and you'll see me. And don't forget I'll be there whenever you need me. Yeah. A lot of girls on me, but I'm only on you, cause I only want you. As well.
About all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Yeah. From the first time I seen you, I knew that you was the one that I wanted. And now you my way. I got you, now I had you, my best friend, you mine. Stuck in my head, girl, you run through it all the time. But I got thotties, and you got thotties. At the end of the day, if you're sick in the hospital bed, who's there? Nobody but me. Cause I don't want nobody but you. Cause they can't handle all my actions like you. Through the ups and the downs and the downs and the ups. Never let anything come between us. They can try and say this, they can try and say that, but we both got triggers. Through the ups and the downs and the downs and the ups. Never let anything come between us. They can try and say this, they can try and say that, but we both got trust. And you got me thinking, about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah.